Hello, everyone. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the Body by Science Strength Training Program. If you're like me and you're always on the lookout for efficient and effective ways to stay fit and build strength, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive review of Body by Science, its key features, benefits, and whether it's the right fit for you. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's give you a quick background on what Body by Science is all about. This program was developed by Dr. Doug McGuff and John R. Little and is centered around high-intensity training. Its main focus is to maximize muscle stimulation in minimal time. Here's what you need to know. One of the most compelling features of Body by Science is its incredible time efficiency. With just 12 to 15 minutes, you can complete a full body workout. This is perfect for busy individuals looking for a quick but effective exercise routine. This program isn't just another fitness fad. It's deeply rooted in scientific research, emphasizing the importance of intensity over duration. Scientific principles are at the core of every workout. You don't need an expensive gym membership or fancy equipment for Body by Science. A set of resistance bands or free weights is often sufficient to get started. It's minimalistic, making it accessible to a wide audience. Safety is a top priority. Dr. McGuff and John Little emphasize safe training techniques to prevent injuries and overtraining. This means it's suitable for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just improve your overall fitness, Body by Science is customizable to your goals. It's not one size fits all. It's designed to adapt to your individual needs. Many users have reported significant strength gains within weeks of starting the program. If you're looking for quick results, this program can deliver. Say goodbye to those long hours at the gym. Body by Science is designed for people with busy schedules who still want to make fitness a priority. It's perfect for those who don't have hours to spare for exercise. The high-intensity workouts are not only great for building strength, but also for boosting your metabolism. This can help with fat loss and improve overall fitness. The program's emphasis on proper form and controlled movements minimizes the risk of injuries. If you've been concerned about getting hurt during workouts, this program takes that into account. In conclusion, Body by Science. Strength training represents a paradigm shift in the world of fitness. If you're someone who values time efficiency, safety, and science-backed workouts, this program is definitely worth considering. It offers an innovative approach that could transform the way you train and help you achieve your fitness goals. However, as with any fitness program, it's crucial to consider your personal fitness goals, equipment availability, and safety. Be sure to consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert before starting any new exercise regimen. And remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so take your time to evaluate if Body by Science is the right fit for you. If you've tried the Body by Science program or have any questions about it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a discussion around this revolutionary approach to fitness. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.